Are you ready to get your freak on? Welcome to Move Like a Contrology Freak. My name is Kira Lamb, and this is a series of Pilates exercise tutorials. Let's play with the 100. The 100 is the warm-up for the Pilates mat work series. I believe that Joe put it there because, number one, it really connects you deeply to your powerhouse. You focus on conscious breath work, and the pumping of your arms stimulates your circulation and prepares you for a vigorous workout. The 100 is introduced at the very basic level, and you continue doing it whether you are a beginner, intermediate, or an advanced practitioner. The only difference is the setup for the 100 will be different depending on your level of experience and the strength, stability, and stamina of your powerhouse. So let's start by playing around with the transition from standing to the floor and then into the 100. So go into your Pilates stance, reach your arms forward and lift your powerhouse. Stack your arms and grow taller, and then lower to the mat with control. You bend your knees, send your chin and elbows forward, keep scooping, lower to your tailbone with control. Hands go behind you, lie all the way down on your back, your arms go up and back, and just pause here for a second. Now you want to recreate that same feeling you had in the standing position, so you're connected to your powerhouse. Pull your hip points up into your navel, reach your tailbone towards your heels. And then as your arms are reaching back, pull your waist past your fingertips. And now is the setup for the advanced version of the 100. Carve your arms through the air and then press up so you're in a chest curl. You feel the bottom tips of your shoulder blades on the mat. You reach your arms from the base of your armpits. Pull your powerhouse in, reach your legs forward in order to go up to eye level. From here, you begin the action, which is vigorously pumping your arms. You inhale for 5 full counts, and then you exhale all the air out. You inhale for 5 counts and exhale for 5 counts. Stay connected to your powerhouse by pulling your hip points up into your navel, tailbone to the base of the mat. And again, vigorous pumping of your arms, 6 to 8 inches in diameter. I think we're halfway here. Keep curling forward. Make sure you don't start looking up and your shoulders drift down. Reach for the wall in front of you, slide your waist back. At the same time, send your legs forward through the wall in front of you. 2 more sets. 2, 3, 4, 5, and exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, final one. Then you exhale, reach your arms and legs forward, waist back, lower your head and heels, arms go up, they float back, keeping your whole waistline on the floor, and you're ready for the roll up. All right, so that was the advanced version. So what happens if you are not advanced yet? So let's say you just descended to the mat with control. You'll roll down. Instead of extending your legs, bend your knees into your chest so you're in a frog position. We're going to do the intermediate version. Your heels are together, toes are apart in your Pilates stance. Your knees are the distance of your armpits. Press your heels together so you feel the connection to your inner thighs. Pull your hip points up into your navel and your navel back here so it doesn't feel like it's all grippy in your hip flexors. From here, reach your arms up towards the ceiling. You're going to carve the air and press down as you curl your head and shoulder blades up. Reach your arms forward, waist back. Pull your hip points into your navel. Your legs go forward to 45 degrees. And then you pump here. You inhale for 5 counts, and then 1 long exhale for 5 counts. Keep pinning your waist into the floor, and exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's say you just did your 10 breath cycles. You'd bend your knees, grab your shins, rest your head and shoulders. If you're new to Pilates, slightly different. You start off in the same frog position, heels together, toes apart. Press your heels together so you feel the connection to your inner thighs. Pull your hip points up into your navel or feel like you're pulling your lower abs into the mat. And then pull your navel back. You'll start off with the cervical nod. You look down the bridge of your nose. And then when you curl up, make sure you bend right here at the bottom of your chest bone. So I'm going to press my back ribs
into the floor and curl up so I only feel the bottom tips of my shoulder blades. I slide my armpits down the sides of my body. My arms go forward. My legs go up. Then I pump here. Inhale for 5 counts. Exhale for 5. Make sure you don't look up. You'll start to feel the strain in your neck. So I'm always pressing my waist down and trying to curl forward like this. And then bend your knees, grab your shins, rest your head. If you're intermediate or basic and just finished here, to get into the roll up, you'll lower your legs down one at a time, slide your legs down, arms go up and back. Make sure your ribs don't pop up. You'll keep your waist grounded on the floor.
So I hope you found that helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment box below and I'll get back to you ASAP. Now, if you're looking for more personalized instruction and feedback, or maybe like an actual class, I teach virtual mat classes on Zoom every single week. Go to my website, kiralam.com, and you'll find my schedule and you can register for class. For a discount, enter the code Contrology Freak. Go figure. And be sure to subscribe to this channel and you'll get 3 exercise tutorials every week. Thank you.